So we have seen that an adjective tells us about the noun. It explains about the noun, that is its number, the color, the texture, the flavor, the size and behavior. So these are all the topics in adjectives that tells us more about a noun. So now we have a chart and we are supposed to find out the adjectives in the sentences. So first we will find out which is the noun, and then it will be easier for us to find out the adjectives, because the adjectives tells us more about a noun. So the first sentence, the brown dog was hungry. So the noun in the sentence is about the dog. It tells us about the dog. So what type of dog? It tells us the brown dog, the color of the dog. So this is the adjective in the sentence. So the word brown is the adjective in the sentence. The next sentence, the little girl was crying. So the noun here is the girl. We are talking about the girl. They are telling about the girl. So they are telling about the size of the girl, the little girl. So this is the word little is the adjective in the sentence. The word little is the adjective in the sentence. The next sentence, my mum has a spotty bag. So the word bag is the name of a thing. It is the noun and it tells us more about the noun. So what type of bag? It is the spotty bag. So the word spotty is the name of the adjective in the sentence. It is the adjective. It tells us more about the noun bag. The next sentence, I saw a big jet flying. So the noun here is jet. And what type of jet is? It is a big jet, the size of the jet. So the word big is the adjective in the sentence. The next sentence, I love my soft pillow. So the noun pillow, it tells us more about the noun pillow. So what type of pillow? The texture of the pillow, soft. So the word soft is the adjective in the sentence. The next sentence is, the brown donkey carried the heavy sack. So in this particular sentence we have two nouns and two adjectives. So let us see what is the first noun. So the first noun is the word donkey. It is the name of an animal. And what type of donkey? It tells us the color of the donkey. So the brown donkey. So the word brown is the adjective in the sentence, the word brown. And the next noun is the word sack. So it is the name of a thing. And what type of sack? The size. So the size is heavy. It is a heavy sack. So the words brown and heavy are the adjectives. It tells us more about the noun. So moving on to our next sentence. The striped cat chased two birds. So again we have two nouns in the sentence. The word cat and birds. So there are two nouns and we have two adjectives. So the first adjective describes the first noun. So the first noun is the word cat. So what type of cat? It is a striped cat. So the word striped is the adjective in the sentence. So the word striped is the adjective in the sentence which tells us more about the noun cat. And the next noun is the birds. So it tells us how many birds are there. So there are two birds. So the word two is the adjective for the noun birds. So it tells us more about the noun birds. Moving on to the next sentence. The little rooster crowed 6 times. So we have found that the noun rooster in the sentence, and what it tells about the rooster? The size of the rooster, the little rooster. So the word little is the adjective in the sentence. So the word little describes about the noun rooster. Danny caught the red ball. So the noun here is ball. And what is the color of the ball? Red. So the adjective red describes about the noun ball. So the word red is the adjective. Next sentence, the dog found a large stick. Again the noun stick. It tells us what is the size of the stick. It is a large stick. So the adjective large. So it tells us about the adjective large. It tells us about the noun stick. My mum is a pretty lady. So lady is the name of a person and it tells what type of lady. She is a pretty lady. So the word pretty is the adjective in the sentence. So the word pretty. The next sentence, the little tree is easy to climb. So the word tree is the noun and it tells us what is the size of the tree. The little tree. So the word little is the adjective in the sentence. And the last sentence we have, Lisa likes rides in fast cars. So the word cars is a noun here and it tells us what type of cars. The car is a fast car. So the adjective fast tells us about the noun cars. So these are the adjectives that we have found in the following sentences. The brown dog was hungry. Brown. The little girl was crying. Little. My mum has a spotty bag. Spotty. I saw a big jet flying. Big. I love my soft pillow. Soft. The brown donkey carried the heavy sack. So brown, heavy. The striped cat chased two birds. Striped, two. The little rooster crowed 6 times. Little. Danny caught the red ball. Red. The dog found a large stick. Large. My mum is a pretty lady. Pretty. The little tree is easy to climb. Little. Lisa likes rides in fast cars. Fast. So the words brown, little, spotty, big, soft, brown, heavy, striped, two, little, red, large, pretty, little, fast. So these are all the adjectives that tell us more about the nouns that are in the sentences. So the adjectives tells us the behavior, number, color, texture, flavor or size of the nouns that we are talking about.